Hi my YouTube fam, welcome back to another video. For those who don't know, I am Lexi and I am your go-to spot when it comes to traveling to Jamaica. Today we are going to be talking about the vibrant and tropical wonderland that is our island, especially for those travelers hitting the island for the first time in Christmas 2023. I have the inside scoop when it comes to how to make your Jamaican holiday unforgettable. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Embrace the Jamaican spirit. Get ready to soak in the laid back vibes and friendly atmosphere that is our island. Jamaica is all about good times and positive energy. So leave your worries at home and embrace our Irish Jamaican spirit. From the moment you step off that plane, you are greeted with smiles and a warm welcome. So just equally greet Jamaicans with a smile and a hello. And if you want to go as far as a wagwan, which is what's going on and how you doing, then feel free to do that because the positive vibes are all around you. Jamaicans try their best to ensure that you feel at home and you enjoy your stay, be it a couple days, a week, a month, or even to say that you're coming down here forever. It doesn't matter if you're at the beach, resort, or exploring the local markets, at an Airbnb, or just staying on a business trip. Embrace the Irish spirit and it sets the tone for a truly enjoyable vacation. Dive into the Jamaican cuisine because Jamaica is the paradise for your taste buds. Don't miss out on the jerk chicken and the pork, the cassava, the bami, the ackee and sausage, the Jamaican patties. Of course, KFC chicken in Jamaica is arguably the best. All of these that are listed and more is really the rite of passage in Jamaica. And of course, you want to wash it down with some fresh coconut water, as we say, wash off your heart, and a glass of sorrel because you know that is a Christmas staple down on our island. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. So next tip is to explore the Jamaican hidden gems. In my previous videos, I talk about this all the time. The beaches, the rivers, waterfalls, anything you can do with possible water, this is the place to be. Now you can explore those river falls. You can even go up to Blue Mountains. It is amazing. You go off the beaten path with a local or with a tour guide. There are many places that offer tours to these places, and if you want you can go into my other videos, which is Jamaican hidden gems, and look for places that you want to explore, places that you're interested in, and just do it because the hidden gems are where it's at. Next tip is that you want to dance to the rhythm of reggae. It sounds pretty cliche because normally people are like, oh, Bob Marley when you come to Jamaica, but you really cannot visit Jamaica and not go and try to find some kind of reggae dance, reggae festival, something like that, because you know it is literally an experience once you're on the island. And if you want to learn a few dance moves while you're at it, then just go with a local or look at what they're doing, because you know there are many times where Jamaicans just bust out into dance. And if you want, you can also look at dance hall. They have quite a few dances. Dance meaning like events where you solely dance. So you want to check that out and you will thank me later, especially if you love to dance. Especially if you love to dance. So one valid tip I would say to pack your sunscreen and your swimsuit. It is the weather for swimming. If you want to even just wear a swimsuit and a shorts all the time, you can do that in Jamaica. So pack your favorite swimsuit and be ready to bask in the warm Caribbean sun. I mean, during the Christmas season, it's a bit colder, but it's not cold enough to say I'm not going to be able to swim. Just make sure that you're beach and river ready for a time of your life. Next is that you want to island hop to Negril. It is further than other places, other parishes, but it is an unforgettable experience. I don't know what it is about Negril, and go and bask in their unforgettable sunset. Like once you experience a Negril sunset, you'll be like, yeah, I don't need to see anything else in Jamaica. So go to the sunset lookout point at Rick's Cafe. It is spectacular. And if you want, you can get a fruity cocktail, you can hang with your friends, you can even jump off the cliff. Like, it's something that is done, it's something that is enjoyed by a lot of tourists. So I'm just going to recommend that in the mix if you ever go down to Negril. So I've said it before and I'll say it again, we want to connect with the Jamaican locals. If you do that through a tour guide, if you do that through somebody that knows somebody who knows somebody that is a Jamaican, then do that, because they are the ones that are going to literally be like, yeah, this is where you should go. You're not going to spend so much money doing that, because they will try to upsell tourists, I'm not gonna lie. But once you know Jamaican locals, they are able to help you through it. They're able to give you the best experiences for less. So you want to befriend a local and you want to get to know them, and you want to be able to ask them for recommendations and referrals when you come to Jamaica, especially during the Christmas time when everything is more expensive. Take it from me. Take it from me. I would recommend that you go and do snorkeling in Jamaica's clear blue water. Places like Montego Bay, places like Ocho, they offer fantastic snorkeling opportunities. So you might even make some fishy friends along the way, because when you come to Jamaica, there's just so much adventure. If that's something that you like, then I would suggest that you do it. It's a new adventure and it's a new thing that you want to experience. Like anything and everything in Jamaica is an adventure. You want to experience the Jamaican Christmas celebrations, immerse yourself in the unique Jamaican Christmas traditions, attend a local church service, because we are a Christian nation. This is done during Christmas Eve especially, and then join in a street party, because you have to enjoy God and then you're going to enjoy culture. Like, it's a balance, people. It's a balance. And you want to even experience some of the Christmas celebrations. They still have John Kuno celebrations and other Christmas things that you can enjoy. So the festive season is unlike any other in Jamaica. Get a taste of the rich Jamaican cultural heritage, get a feel of the festivities, and get a feel of the Jamaican food. The Jamaican food at Christmas time. I'm looking forward to it. Like, that's one of my favorite seasons of the year. So that's why I'm bringing this video to you guys, to just share that Christmas is where it's at in Jamaica. So the last thing, guys, is to capture all the moments. Bring your camera, bring your camcorder, bring your phone, bring your GoPro, bring anything. Just make sure that you capture every moment of this incredible adventure of your stay in Jamaica, because the scenic landscapes, to the smiles of the locals, to the amazing and unique experience that you will see in Jamaica, you want to relive the magic long after you return back home. So for first-time travelers headed to Jamaica in 2023, you can show your family, you can show your friends, you can show everybody. You can even go on Google and write a review about your time in Jamaica and what you did. It will motivate somebody else to even say, yeah, I'm going to go to Jamaica for Christmas. I'm going to plan a trip next year. So it really helps in just sharing what Jamaica has to offer. So I'm all about making sure that you capture all the moments that you have, all the moments you enjoy, and all the moments you don't want to miss out on when you get another opportunity to come to our beautiful island. So there you have it, guys. That is all my tips when it comes to first-time travelers coming to Jamaica for Christmas in 2023 and in 2024 and all the other years, because it never gets old. So remember to embrace the island spirit, explore beyond the tourist hotspots, and make memories that will last a lifetime. So safe travels, my lovely friends of YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!